Good morning, students. Welcome to Standard 6. Today we start our first chapter in Maths Basic Concepts in Geometry. मैथ्स का हम लोग फर्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं. जो लोगों ने जूम लेक्चर अटेंड किए थे उन्हें तो पता है. जिसने किया नहीं है उनके लिए ये अभी चल रहा है. तो लिसन केयरफुली. फर्स्ट हम लोग अपना फर्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं, बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स इन ज्योमेट्री. यू सी इन योर बुक ऑल्सो. हु हैव बुक्स, यू सी इन योर बुक्स. फर्स्ट बेसिक concept is our point. First one is point. See here, point. What is a point? A point is shown by a tiny dot. A point is shown by a tiny dot. See here, this is a plane and this plane में हम लोग point draw करते हैं. This tiny dot is called a point. This tiny dot is called a point. We can draw like that so many points here. See here, again I will draw one point. Here is also one point. Here is also one point. And we can give the names to that point. We can give one the name to this point. See like that by a capital alphabetical letter. By a capital alphabetical letter. Like see, here is a point A. This is a point P. This is a point T. Like that we can also give on the names to that point. Like that we also given this name to this point, and we can read this point like that. See, point A, point P, point T. How to read? Point A, point P, point T. Like that we read. All of you clear? Okay, next is our line and line segment. Next basic concept is our line, segments and lines. Line, segments and lines. By joining the 2 points on the sheet of the paper, by using a ruler, we can draw the line. By using 2 points on the sheet of the paper, by using a ruler means your scale, we can draw the line. We can draw the line, and see here, this is a point A and this is a point B. We can join these 2 points. We can join these 2 points by using your scale or ruler, and this is a straight line. This is a straight line, and we can also extend this line further. We can extend this line further like this, like that, and to the side of the point B. B से हम लोग a line extend कर सकते हैं, आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. Okay, on the side of the point A, जितनी प्लेस है उतने तुम लोग उधर भी ए साइड में भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो. जितनी तुम्हें प्लेस है उतने तुम लोग इधर भी ए पॉइंट से भी ए लाइन एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो. मतलब तुम लोग ए लाइन सेगमेंट दोनों साइड से एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो एट अ infinite distance. At a infinite distance, it have no end. Line have no end, and we can extend the line in the both the direction till the edges of the paper. जितना तुम्हारे पेपर में प्लेस है उतना तुम लोग ए लाइन एजेस तक एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो. There have no end. The line have no end, and you can read this line as a line AB. It's a line segment AB. You can read this line segment AB. Okay, this is a line segment AB. All of you clear it? Now see, we can extend this line at both the sides without any limits. There is no limit to extend how much line is extend, and you on paper you have so a place up to there you can extend these lines on the both sides. and in mathematics when we say line we mean it straight line. जब हम लोग लाइन बोलते हैं तो हमें हमारे दिमाग में वही एक आता है कि स्ट्रेट लाइन. क्या आता है? स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओनली वी इमेजिन दैट स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड दिस इज वी extend these lines from A to B, point A to B. So this is this piece, point line AB means this is a one piece of that line. Point from A to B, this is a one piece of that line, and see this is called the line segment. It is called the line segment. Okay. A पॉइंट ए से बी तक जो इतना पीस है वो क्या एक लाइन का पीस है, एक लाइन का पीस है, इसीलिए हम लोग उसको लाइन सेगमेंट बोलते हैं. सेगमेंट मीन्स व्हाट? पीस. इसे क्या क्या बोलते हैं? अ लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी. ओके. एंड इट हैज at the ending of that segment 2 points there, A and B, means it have the end. This point showing that it's have limit. This segment have the limit means इतना ही A segment हम लोग ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. अभी बोलो सपोज तुम्हें बोला कि तुम लोग 5 सेंटीमीटर का लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करो, मतलब तुम लोग स्केल यूज करके 5 सेंटीमीटर का ही लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करेंगे और दोनों साइड में पॉइंट देंगे. मतलब वो डिस्टेंस कितना रहेगा तुम्हारा? 5 सेंटीमीटर ही रहेगा. लाइक दैट पी क्यू मीन्स ए इज दिस इज योर line segments. P Q is your line segment. Okay, means this segment have limit at the both ends. means 5 सेंटीमीटर का ही तुम्हें लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करना है, so it have the limit at the both ends. Okay, इसीलिए हम लोग इसकी क्या बोलते हैं? लाइन सेगमेंट्स. मीन्स इसको दोनों एंड को लिमिट रहता है, इसीलिए वो लाइन सेगमेंट है. एंड लाइन सेगमेंट इज अ वन पीस ऑफ अ लाइन. It is a one piece of a line, and these 2 points have at the end of this line segment have 2 points, means point A and B. These points are called end points. These points are called end points of that line segment. These points are called the end points of that line segment. Okay, now we read this line segment as a C. segment PQ, segment PQ. Here we can read like that. See, segment AB, segment AB. Like that we read. Like that we read this segment as a segment PQ, segment AB. Okay. Now a line is named as a यूजिंग स्मॉल लेटर. हमें अभी क्या देखना है? ए तो लाइन सेगमेंट हो गया, इसके दोनों पॉइंट को क्या बोलते हैं? पॉइंट पी क्यू और पॉइंट ए बी को क्या बोलते हैं? एंड पॉइंट्स. क्या बोलते हैं? ये दोनों को क्या बोलते हैं? एंड पॉइंट्स. एंड पॉइंट्स. ओके, एंड वी कैन रीड like that segment ए बी, segment पी क्यू. नाउ वी वांट टू सी व्हाट इज द लाइन. अभी क्या देखना है? हमें लाइन देखना है. क्या देखना है? लाइन. A line is named as a using small letter. Line is also straight line. It is also we draw like that a straight line. Line using we draw straight line, and it have the arrow at the both ends. It have the arrow at the both ends. This arrow means we can extend this line at the infinite distance. ए एरो का क्या मीनिंग है? ए लाइन हम जितना हमें एक्सटेंड करना है उतना हम लोग दोनों साइड से एक्सटेंड कर सकते, ड्रॉ कर सकते. इसीलिए हम ए लाइन के दोनों एंड को क्या देते? एरो ड्रॉ करते. क्या ड्रॉ करते? एरो ड्रॉ करते. एंड वी नेमिंग दिस लाइन बाय यूजिंग द स्मॉल लेटर. by using the small letter like L. हम लोग ए लाइन को स्मॉल लेटर यूज करके नेम दे सकते हैं. और वी कैन रीड दिस लाइन एज अ लाइन L. एज अ लाइन L we can read as line L. Okay, is it clear? मीन्स लाइन को एरो क्यों दिया है दोनों साइड्स को? बिकॉज वी कैन एक्सटेंड दिस लाइन एट बोथ साइड्स एंड द at the infinite distance, and we naming this line as a in a small letter L by using small letter L, and we can read as line L. We read as line L. Okay, is it clear? अब तक हमने क्या देखा? पॉइंट, first is point, then second line segment, and third line. Now we want to see rays. We want to see rays. Our fourth concept is rays. We want to see rays. Then what is the ray? See in your book, you know, all of you know that the sun rays are falling on the earth in a straight line, and they are falling on the rays. And also all of you know that the torch, when you lighting the torch, and you torch have also the rays at a point, from a point, and this point is known as a source of a rays, source of a light. Sun is also one of the source of a light. It is a natural source of light, and from this rays are coming on the earth in a straight line, falling on the earth on a straight line. And a ray is a part of line. Also a ray is a part of a line. See, a ray is also a part of line, and ray have arrow at one end. Ray have arrow at one end, and the starting point of a ray is called its origin. This is its origin. Okay, see here, this is its origin. This point starting point है P, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? origin. क्या बोलते हैं? origin. और उसके दूसरे एंड को हमने एरो ड्रॉ किया है. दिस एरो हेड इज ड्रॉन टू शो दैट द रे इज also at infinite direction. It also extends in at infinite direction. P is called the origin of the ray, and here we given the another point Q. This point is called, this point, from this point we can draw the arrow to this ray, and this arrow indicates that this ray extends at the infinite direction. This ray is extends at the infinite direction, and we can read this ray as like, see here, ray PQ or ray QP. We can read like that, see, ray PQ and ray QP. Now see here, our next point is line. We taken one point here. Suppose we taken one point O here, and from this point we can draw infinite number of lines. From this point we can draw infinite number of lines, and the lines passing through one point is called the concurrent lines. Means O point से, एक ही point से number of lines we can draw. So many lines we can draw, and these lines are the concurrent. These lines are the concurrent, and this point O is called the point of concurrence. This point O is called the point of concurrence. Okay. Now we see our next is next point. See, planes. हमें क्या अभी क्या देखना है? planes. एक है प्लेन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो, योर बुक इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द प्लेन. योर बुक इज ऑल्सो one of the plane. Example, our blackboard in our classroom, it is also one of the plane. And in mathematics, the flat surface is called a plane. मैथमेटिक्स में प्लेन फ्लैट सरफेस को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? प्लेन. For example, your book or blackboard in our classroom. And this plane have arrow on four sides. This plane have arrow on फोर साइड्स, मतलब एक प्लेन हमें चार साइड में, फोर साइड में एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. एक प्लेन हम लोग फोर साइड्स में एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं, इसीलिए हम लोगों ने एक चारों साइड में क्या किया है, एरो ड्रॉ किए. ओके, प्लेन को हम लोग कैपिटल लेटर से नेम भी दे सकते हैं, जैसे कि कैपिटल लेटर यूज़ करके हम लोग ए प्लेन को नेम दे सकते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने अभी देखो एच ए कैपिटल लेटर यूज़ करके इसको नेम दिया है. और वी कैन रीड दिस प्लेन एज लाइक अ प्लेन एच. ओके, यू कैन यूज़ वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू दिस लेटर्स like M, R, like that you can use these letters and you can naming this plane. Okay, our next point is parallel lines. You suppose you take in your notebook and you observe your edges of this, both edges of this your notebook, and if you extend these edges of your notebook, can they meet at any point? Can they intersect to each other at any point? No, they can't intersect at any point. Means these edges are the parallel to each other. These edges of your notebook are the parallel to each other, and this is the example of the parallel lines. This is the example of parallel lines. Means here I can draw this line L and line M, and these lines, two lines are in same plane, lies in a same plane, and if I extend this line at infinite distance, they can't intersect to each other at any point. They not intersect to each other at any point, so these lines are called the parallel lines. These lines are called the parallel lines. Means line L and line M are the parallel lines. Line L and line M are the parallel lines. That means, what is the definition of the parallel lines? Line lie in the same plane but not intersect, but do not intersect are said to be parallel lines. Parallel lines. This is the definition of the parallel lines. Lines lie in the same plane but do not intersect are said to be parallel lines. For example, line L and line M are the parallel lines and they do not intersect to each other at any point. Okay, here all of our basic concepts are clear here. Means here our first chapter is completed. First our what we see here, our first basic concept means is a points. Then second is what? Line, segment and line. Second is what? Line, segment and line. And third, ray. Third is ray. Fourth, planes. And last ones are the parallel lines. Last one are the parallel lines. And I hope all of you clear it. Here our first chapter is completed, and on this chapter given the exercise, you want to solve this exercise. This is your homework and you send me on the WhatsApp. Okay, all of you clear it? This is your homework. Thank you.